just wearing it straight. I'm just wearing waves. I want to get that volumized look, so.
In the info box.
Woo!
Ooh, heavens. Oh, wow. Hi, I'm Mallory Brooke, a makeup artist and content creator here on YouTube, and today we are trying this thing that I saw on Pinterest. This is like how to get that like kind of volumized 90s bob with just a flat iron. Now I am someone who has always struggled with curling with a flat iron and solely just styling my hair with a flat iron, but this type of hairstyle really intrigues me. So I want to try this since my hair is short. I don't want to get into the habit of just wearing it straight. I'm just wearing waves. I want to experiment with it, especially since we're really given, you know, this 90s type of mom bob. So I'm just using my GHD Platinum Plus flat iron. I love this flat iron. I purchased it about over 2 years ago, and it is the best flat iron I have ever purchased in my life. And I believe when this video is going up, the Sephora sale is still going on. So if you're looking to invest in a really good flat iron that does not damage your hair, as a hair tool, hair product lover, and all of the enthusiast, I highly recommend this gal. All right, so right now I just have my hair kind of straight, blown out, you know.
I want to get that volumized look, so.
I'm gonna go ahead and show you this little trick. So just whatever you need to do to section, we're gonna take the front first, this front section here, and I will have everything that I'm using in this tutorial in the info box, by the way. Okay, I want to really start out kind of thin, because if we do it too thick, that's when we risk kind of crimping territory. So I want to start with the bangs first, because when you see how the front of your hair is wearing first, then you can kind of gauge everything else. All right, so I'm going to take my bangs, take my flat iron, I'm going to go flat down and curl right all the way up. Come on. Okay, look at this. All right, so we've got this section doing this. I'm gonna let her cool. Take down this section and this section. Take this next top section here. Take my flat iron. I'm gonna go straight down and flip up. That one was a bit of a fail, but that's okay. Practice makes perfect. Also, I think another reason why I struggle with curling with a flat iron is because I'm like already thinking about how much damage I'm doing. But with this flat iron, I'm really not, so I need to calm down. So just take your flat iron, go straight down, flip up. All right, let's see where we're at. Oh, wow. I can't tell if this is honestly gonna be a big fail or not. And I have other videos to film after this. Heavens. Don't panic and just curl.
Boom. We're getting somewhere.
So the idea is by bringing these sections down in front of your face and curling them this way, you get a much more like you hot rolled your hair effect. Oh, wow. All right. Now, obviously, we are going to need to do something with the rest of our hair, but okay. This is giving like very 90s bob vibes. And I hate hot rollers. I feel like they're very damaging. And oh my God, I can't tell you how many times my mom burned my scalp growing up with freaking hot rollers, and then also steam rollers. Does anyone remember that? They're supposed to be less damaging. If you have naturally curly hair, steam rollers are a disaster. All right, so I'm just going to eyeball the sections I need to curl, because I don't think we need to curl every section. I just kind of want to get the front of my face, honestly, because I like the look of some of it going towards my face. So to curl towards your face, just literally go towards your face and curl under with your flat iron. Ooh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I think I'm enjoying this method, which is wild for me, honestly. I'm gonna go towards my face with this curl as well. You know, like with the right outfit, are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
Okay, we're loving it. I'm gonna go away from my face with this curl and then towards my face with these sections. I do feel like you could do this with a curling iron, but I'm getting much more, like I said, hot rolly vibes with this method. And the GHD does make it much easier to curl your hair than other flat irons. You guys, Are we loving this or what? Like even the middle part is kind of a vibe. Now what I want to do, since we did kind of straight bob earlier, this is one way to like really zhuzh up your look if you're going out later. Or you have like dinner or you have like an outfit that you totally want to be 90s. I'm just gonna, dude, look at my hair. Wow. You know, everybody's got like the 90s Rachel and everything going on right now. Why not for us very, very short hair girls? We can have it too. Let's bring that back. It's really glamorous, honestly. I mean, look at Marilyn Monroe. She made a whole career off of like short, voluminous hair. I think I'm very happy with this. Okay, so let's do the back. It's really hard for me to see the back, but this monitor helps. So I'm thinking this section just needs a little curl. So the key is to go ahead and flip your flat iron as soon as you start curling to get that real, look at that. I'm loving the retro vibes of this. I wasn't sure that I would like it, but I thought, why not try it out with you guys, you know? Oh, glamorous, glamorous, glamorous. All right, let's check in the mirror here. I think we are there with the glamorous hair. Yeah. I believe this was a success. And honestly, this is kind of a vibe. Look at that. Anyway, let me know if you guys would try this out. I will have everything I use and everything I'm wearing in the info box below. To set this, I would just recommend a very lightweight setting spray.
Setting spray. Oh my god, I've been doing makeup all day.
Hairspray. Or if your hair is even shorter, do a heavy hold hairspray like Kevin Murphy's Session Spray. I'll have my recommendations in the info box below. Thank you so much for joining me today in this nice little experiment with shorter hair. I hate when my hair does this. My hair's naturally curly and the little baby hairs wanna do that. So we're gonna go ahead and curl you away. Again, the GHD Platinum Plus does make it a lot easier and less intimidating to curl with a flat iron, which is dangerous because I might be looking like this in a lot of my videos. Oh my God, I feel so glamorous. I haven't felt this glamorous in quite some time. This is hair, you know what I mean? Like this is hair. Forget beachy waves. Look at this. Am I wrong? Let me know in the comments. Would you wear your hair like this? For those of us who have had our hair all chopped off on accident, somebody just chopping it off, we need to bring this back. You know, everybody's doing the layers, the volume. What about short hair with volume? I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video for more hair tutorials and content like this. It lets YouTube know that you enjoy my videos and this type of content, so you will see my videos in your feed. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for more fun. And this was really fun trying out a new hairstyle with you guys. Usually I perfect my technique and all that kind of stuff before I do a video like this, but I thought, why not? That little short video on Pinterest really inspired me, and here we are. So, okay, I'm gonna go finish the workday like this.